Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain how to program NodeMCU wirelessly. That means without any physical connection between NodeMCU and PC. Let's start the video. For this project, first of all, we install one default program in NodeMCU using with PC. The program link in description. Just use this code, then using your PC you just upload that code to your NodeMCU. This is the default program code. I will just upload the code to NodeMCU. Just click upload. The code is uploading. The NodeMCU is connected with PC through COM6 port, COM6 USB port. We just see that COM6. Okay, that code is completely uploaded. The same script is used for wireless scripting also, but some of the changes I done to upload my required sketch to NodeMCU. I have another one program with the same script with some required modifications. Just see that code. Okay, in this code I just modified the loop function only. You just see that I control one relay on off with a sequence of 5000 milliseconds. Okay, I just modify the code. I initialize that relay pin and also initialize in setup function also pin mode functions in loop function also. And before that the default program, it does not have any initialization functions and also the loop functions. The loop function one contains only Arduino OTA dot handle. That line only is present in previous program, but this program we just modified the relay on off functions, the time delay of 5000 milliseconds. Okay, this is the only difference between the wireless uploading. Okay, in this method your NodeMCU and your PC should be available in same network. It may be in far distance or nearby, but it should be available in the same network. Okay, but we don't need any physical connection between NodeMCU with your PC. We just see the NodeMCU is connected with the one external power supply, 5V power supply, and also connected with one 2-channel relay model. You just see that the physical connection between NodeMCU with my PC is not available. Okay, we just go to Arduino IDE program how to upload the code to this NodeMCU. We just go the PC. That updated code is available in my IDE. You just go to tools menu, then tools menu, you go to the port. We just see that port, the connector between NodeMCU is mentioned in ESP8266 with the allotted IP of the network. You just select that port. In this method, it's not available that COM port, that USB COM port, because the physical connections between NodeMCU with our PC is not available. So it's that connections mentioned as IP. Okay, we just see that IP. Okay, then upload your code. This is the only main difference between the physical connections and without connections. Just upload. The program is uploading. We just see that uploading, but using direct connections, that uploading is not shown. Okay, this is the wireless connection between NodeMCU, then only that uploading is shown. Okay, the program is uploaded. Then check the NodeMCU. You just see that the delay model is on and off 500 milliseconds, 5000 milliseconds. Okay, that's all. If you have any doubt, please comment me, and please subscribe my channel for future updates. Thank you.